TJ Maxx. Let's see what we get. Got my first one. Spend 3, make 2. So let's see how many they have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still enough time. Got one more. I found my second item. I feel weird, so I'm talking all quiet. It's already dark. This is my first time buying here to resell, actually, and I came out with nothing but groceries. I'm unrestricted on Amazon, so I can sell groceries. And now I just gotta find where I park. I'm one of those where I never remember where I park. My mind's always racing. What's up, guys? I just want to give a shout out to the Mile High Hustlers, Resale Mama on Instagram, and Resale Daddy. I know there's a few numbers in there. I don't remember them right now, but if y'all could subscribe to them on YouTube, that would be awesome. They go around doing Walmart clearance and they find hidden gems. And if you see their videos on YouTube, you'll see they have 500 views of video and they're growing. So subscribe to them right now so they'll remember you in the future. Hell yeah. Keep it up, guys. Good work.